indaba is that ndatibana noMzwandile ngo-2021. Fine, we dated, but later on we found out ukuthi we are related, we are cousins. Like umama nomama akhe are sisters, biological sisters.
Umama wathi uba sister yakhe ndandiye ndambona futhi emgidini ka-Afika but briefly.
Umama nomama akhe abahlala ezilalini, bahlala apha.
Okay.
So yena waza apha umama akhe mfunela umsebenzi ngo-2024. Nami bengasebenzi because ndaqaba umatric in 2021. The pressures mama msisinaye lapha ndathi nami ndifuna uza ngapha ngizofuna umsebenzi, Joburg and jobs. So wanivumela ndeza ngapha. After that, nge-Easters, he came here because abazali bethu, they both live in Soweto. So naye namxele bandla lapha eProtea naye like okay. So dibana xa ndiyize ku-Easters.
Ekhuleni kwakho, you clearly did not know side family ngale.
My mother's family.
Your mother's family?
Yeah, I didn't know my mother's family.
Okay.
Even my mother and I, basically distant. We were very distant. Almost strangers. Sapho lwakulo mama khange ndide ndikhulele kulo. Ndakhulela kulo tata. Umama ndohlukana naye Mncweni. I-relationship yam nomama wam sithe sa-establisha usweleka katata ngo-2021.
So ni address then and then or nisabanjwe i-shock ngalesikhathi lesi nihlangane ngaso?
Siqalile I think first week siyazile ndisiya kuye beku awkward but yeah. But as insuku zihamba then we became cool. I think nale relationship selebala ukuthi we are cousin then sa focus ku relationship yethu.